Intro hook. Have you ever found yourself staring at your crypto portfolio, wondering if it's time to cash out? Maybe you need the funds, or perhaps you're simply feeling a bit uncertain about the market. Whatever your reason, selling your crypto on Newton is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and learn how to do it. Understanding Newton. Before we get into the selling process, let's quickly recap what Newton is. It's a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. Newton is known for its user-friendly interface and relatively low fees, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced traders. Preparing to sell. Before you hit the sell button, there are a few things you should consider. Market research. Take a look at the current market trends. Is the price of your cryptocurrency going up or down? Understanding the market sentiment can help you make informed decisions. Your financial goals. What are you hoping to achieve by selling your crypto? Are you looking to make a profit, or do you need the funds for something else? Your financial goals will influence your selling strategy. Tax implications. Selling cryptocurrency can have tax implications. It's important to understand the tax laws in your jurisdiction to avoid any unpleasant surprises. Step-by-step guide to selling crypto on Newton. Log into your Newton account. This should be a straightforward process if you've already created an account. Navigate to your portfolio. Once you're logged in, you'll see your portfolio page, which lists all of your cryptocurrency holdings. Select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Click on the cryptocurrency you'd like to sell. Enter the amount to sell. Specify how much of the cryptocurrency you want to sell. You can enter the amount in either units of the cryptocurrency or in Canadian dollars. Choose your selling method. Newton offers a few different selling methods. You can choose to sell at the current market price, or you can set a limit order, which allows you to specify the minimum price you're willing to sell at. Confirm your sale. Review the details of your sale and click the sell button to confirm. Additional tips. Security first. Always prioritize the security of your Newton account. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. Consider fees. Newton charges fees for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Make sure you understand the fee structure so you can factor it into your calculations. Be patient. The cryptocurrency market can be volatile. Don't panic if the price of your cryptocurrency drops after you sell. Remember, it's important to stay calm and make rational decisions. Conclusion. Selling crypto on Newton is a relatively simple process that can be done in a few easy steps. By following the guidelines we've outlined in this video, you can confidently sell your cryptocurrency and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the cryptocurrency market can be unpredictable, so it's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.